Good afternoon, everyone. We're just finishing the day, full day of patients here at Natural Fit Therapy, and I just wanted to come on and say an announcement. If you or a family member have issues with balance or have had a fall or worried about having a fall, then we have something for you. I don't know if you can tell, I'm soaking wet because I just had to run outside real quick, and it is pouring rain, but I wanted to go ahead and hop on here real quick and just let you guys know a little bit about this workshop. This workshop's for people that are, feeling like their legs are a little more wobbly. They haven't been as active because of COVID and the lockdown, and now they're starting to feel like they're not sure what to do next. Their balance isn't as good as they used to, and maybe they've had a fall, or maybe they have a loved one who's had a fall, and they're really worried about them. So we're going to be hosting a virtual workshop on Zoom to talk about how to stay healthy, stay active, stay independent, and most importantly, how to figure out why you're having balance issues, what we do here at Natural Fit Therapy to help people with balance issues, and then ultimately prevent you from having a fall. So this is July 29th at 4 p.m. I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know there's going to be some more announcements coming up, but mark your calendar. If you have a loved one that you're worried about them slowing down, worried about them not being as agile, worried about them maybe having to use a walker, or maybe they're not going to be able to keep up on the next family vacation, then we have something just for them. Again, this is a free workshop, July 29th at 4 p.m. and we hope to see you there. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.